I know I've been pumping out these updates. We just retwisted our locks after 3 months. I did a no clip retwist. I gotta stop talking in third person or talking like there's more people here. It's just me. Why do I say we? Retwist, guys. Let me take it down so you guys can just see. We did the no clip retwist. I'll show you how I did that. And so we wanted to come and show you guys what my hair looked like when I actually got parts. You can see the parts. Because most of the time when you guys are here, or if I'm live or you're, checking out my uploads, my roots have already grown out, right? So you really don't get the chance, haven't got the opportunity to see this fresh, cleaned up retwist, no clip style. Listen, I can't do the clips. When you put a certain amount of clips in your hair, it gets very, very heavy. Very uncomfortable if you're not going straight up under a dryer. Again, guys, this is what it looks like after 3 months of a retwist. You can kind of get a better idea of the length. This is my hair after a retwist. And we're gonna do a 360 so you guys can see the back, see the length, see that it's grown. Listen, when I was a loose natural, I never even fathomed getting my 4C hair under control. Let me tell you something. It's under control, baby. It's under control. I could not find anything in getting this hair under control. And so we loving it, guys. It's getting there. It is growing. I do like this length. I think every few months I kind of check the length and see if I like it. And I think my most favorite time during my lock journey was when it was like right below my ears, because you could just pull them out, any type of way that you want to. When it starts to get a little longer, they get a little bit more heavier, and so you can kind of see more of the length because the weight is allowing it. Don't get me wrong, when I retwist my hair, the shrinkage is still real. I love the fact that it is growing in layers. It's just not growing just straight all at the same length. So I love the layers, the way that it's growing in. And we have some jewelry here, guys. I waited approximately 1.5 years before I started putting in lock jewelry like this. Now, prior to this, and that's because I wanted my locks to be a little bit more mature before adding any type of weight to them. Now, these aren't really heavy, but they're heavy enough if your locks are not strong in the root area, or you're dealing with any type of thinning locks. These things will just pull, damage it even more. But prior to that, I started doing Loc Accessories around 6 months locked, and I would just simply use these very lightweight shells. What a lot of the natural girls use, even when they get their hair braided or they get any type of extensions, they like to use that. That's pretty lightweight if you're starting out. You don't want to put any weight, beloved, listen to me. You don't want to put any weight on your newly forming lock, right? You don't want to, again, I say this a lot too, but it's important to me. You don't want to mess with the integrity of your roots. And you want your roots to be strong, because as the locks grow, listen, they're going to get heavy. You can carry it because you kind of growing up with the lock. Right? It takes time, it grows. And so you get accustomed, your body gets accustomed to carrying it. My hair is its heaviest when I'm washing it. It's, oh my God, it's unbelievable. When these locks get wet, they are extremely, 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 extremely heavy. Anything that you can wrap around your lock, you can use these too. They're very, very light. So if you have to have lock accessories and lock jewelry prior to your locks maturing, those will be the suggestions. The shells or something that you can just go ahead and wrap around the lock. Lock jewelry you get from the beauty supply store that you can kind of wrap around. You don't want to be putting no beads on there. Listen, if you are just starting out on your lock journey, You definitely want to be patient, trust the process, and really not in your hair like you would be if you was a loose natural. The whole point of getting locks is to just let your hair be. Of course you're gonna clean it, of course you're gonna make sure it's moisturized, but other than that, stay out of your head. Less was best for me. This is what my locks look like for me, just letting them do their own daggone thing. I just left it alone. The whole point of it again was so that I can have a low maintenance style where I'm not manipulating my hair every day. I can just get up and go. That's why we look forward to when the roots start to grow out after our retwist. I know a lot of people don't. They want to hold on to that retwist as long as they can. And trust me, I understand when you have to go get your hair retwisted, washed, styled, and you have natural hair, it's not a couple of pennies. It's not no nickel and dime in it, okay? It costs money. So like I said, guys, I do the 2-strand twist, no clip method when I'm retwisting. The 2-strand twist or barrel twist are to secure the newly retwisted roots. Let me do a spin around 360, show you guys what my hair looks like, show you the length of it from the back, and then I will show you guys how I do the no clip twist method when retwisting my locks. That I do the no clip retwist method. Let's just show you guys on 2 locks, and I think I showed you guys in another video before, but we're going to show you again. We're going to take these 2 locks here. Let's get locks that are right next to each other. So we'll take these 2 here, right? Let's just use these 2 here. So what I do is I retwist my root only. We're not going all down the lock. We're not doing all that. I retwist my root only. I do the same with the one next to it, and then I take it over each other and I 2-strand twist or barrel twist to secure the newly retwist. The one in the back, I just take it over the top of this one. So you see how they're crossed? They're crossed. And I will make sure that they're both twisted really good. And then I take it and I barrel twist. See that? That's what it looked like. And I'll just put a little rubber band at the end, a little black rubber band at the end to secure it. So that's what it looks like. And then a couple of days after that, some people like to keep it in for a while. Personally, I don't. So after a couple of days, I've allowed my hair time to dry. I will just come and unravel them. And this is what you get once you unravel them. You are left with this crinkly look. This is my retwist, brand new retwist, fresh retwist after no retwist for 3 months. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. If you have any questions, drop them down in the comment section. You guys know I love the questions, and we can put it to a video. Of course, I will answer you immediately. I'm a DIYer when it comes to my locks, lock maintenance, and all of that. And this is what we have after 3 years and 9 months on a lock journey. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. We're going to see your beautiful faces in the next video. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you're not already a part of the Loc Muse family. I say this often. We would love to have you.